Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, gather your essential tools like a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and a new replacement handle. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid misplacing any small parts. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. This preparation step is crucial for a successful repair. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying off any trim pieces that cover screws. Once exposed, unscrew all fasteners holding the panel in place. Gently pull the panel away from the door, disconnecting any electrical connectors for windows or locks. Take your time here to avoid damaging clips or wiring, ensuring a smooth removal. Now it's time to replace the handle itself. First, locate and detach the rods or cables connected to the old handle mechanism. Then, unscrew the mounting bolts that secure the exterior door handle in place. Carefully remove the old handle and install your new one, ensuring all connections are properly reattached. Double-check that everything feels secure before moving on. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect all electrical components to the interior door panel, making sure each connection is firm. Carefully align and reattach the door panel, securing all screws and trim pieces. Before you finish, thoroughly test the new door handle's operation and ensure your windows and locks work correctly. This confirms a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.